This is John Hansberger at Precision Restorations in St. Louis, Missouri. This right here is our 1971 Chevelle SS Convertible. You can see here's our body right here. All the panels have been replaced. The floor has been replaced. The trunk has been replaced. Almost everything on this is new except for the firewall. Now if you go over here, take you over here, what the techs are working on is going to be the frame, the rear end. This thing has all new components, new suspension, new brakes. You can see right here, Ben's getting it put back together. Everything has been media blasted, everything has been painted. Here's the rear end, been blasted. New brakes, new brake lines, new bushings. It's going to be a new car from top to bottom. If you want to see more on this project or any other project, you can visit us at www.precisioncarrestoration.com.